Hi! It's me, Roel Carino of It Bulaga, wishing Ate Gabriela, Nika, Monique, ang haba ng pangalan, a happy birthday. We love you very much.
Natatawa ako.
Tumawa ka, tatawa ako, magtawanan tayo. Pero I hope that you enjoy this birthday celebration. And maski nakalipas man, nagkasama pa rin tayo. And I hope that all of the other celebrations ng birthday ko or birthday mo ay magkakasama tayong lahat. So, I love you very much. God bless you. Have a happy birthday and mwah! Hi, Ate Gabriela. Happy birthday. I hope you have many more birthdays to come. At sana maramdaman mo yung pagmamahal na binibigyan namin para sa'yo. Para sa'yo. Basta, always remember, hindi mo man birthday, tumawa ka lang, tatawa rin ako, magtawanan tayo. Okay, happy birthday, we love you very much.